knowledge, you will never get doubts. Or else, if you don't know, you will never get doubts. If you have half of knowledge, then you will get knowledge. Only. So you please ask me more doubts. You don't feel any side. If you ask silly things also, I don't mind. Please ask silly things also if you don't know. That's no need to worry. Don't try to ask me doubts. Okay? So tables, update sets, and some things we have. Today we will discuss about import sets. Import sets. What is import set? What is importing? So when you go to something as we are seeing imports and exports. We have seen the businessman Surya importing set, imports and exports. Nothing but what is an importing? What is an exporting? Exactly. We are receiving. So here, so in the last class we have discussed about update sets in the Friday. So in the update set, what we have discussed? Yeah, customized come. That is nothing but the cable structure what will come, but the data will not come. So assume that you are migrating from one technology. Assume that your current system was BMC Remedy. BMC Remedy you are migrating to ServiceNow. So then what you do? So BMC Remedy there are certain data is there, like incidents will be changed. There are a lot of, so you put the same data into the ServiceNow. So what you will do? You will enter one by one manually. If it is 10 records, you can enter manually. If it is 100, it is tough to, it is hard, but it is right. If it is thousands of records, so it will take many time. So in that service now we have option called import set. So so today, so import set. So I will export the data Narayana students. So simple thing was, what happened? Assume that here how many records is there? There are 6 records, 5 records. So I am here going to export Excel. So I'm just click on the download, it will automatically download.
Karthik, I can't see the screen.
You cannot see the screen. I have shared it. I have shared a screen. You are not able to see.
Okay, I think it's my fault. Give me one. Carry on, carry on.
So simple thing was just now I download these 5 records. So I want to, so just when you open it, show in folder. That is this one. This is our report. When you click on here, click on the open. So these are our records available here. So by changing something here, that is a temporary purpose. So I'm just giving, I'm not giving that, I'm hiding this field. So we don't want to give number, it will generate automatically. Yeah. So name, ID, location, state. So I'm just giving name as David. ID is 123. 123. So the location was Hyderabad. The state was Telangana. And I'm just giving David, John. Simple thing. So I'm just removing this one also. So I'm not giving. Hello. Maybe yes for something. So simple thing was. So here I'm just creating an Excel sheet flags we can upload from the basic thing. Okay. So I'm just creating an Excel sheet, new Excel sheet, import. Just here, click here. So I'm just giving name. So after that ID. So you can see here what are the fields available here. Just open this record. Name, ID, location, state. So I'm just giving email ID, mobile number. Email ID, mobile number. Simple thing, I'm just giving only these 4 records. Will tell you later what are the issues will come. Okay. So I'm just giving the first record was John. The ID was 123. Email ID John at the rate gmail.com. So the mobile number 123. So unlock was there. So after that, David. So David at the rate gmail.com. So 3 Ronda, David, something Andrew. Gmail.com 77, and you can just put the Paul. So Paul at the rate Gmail. These record has to be entered in the portal or an instance. I'm just saving this record, just closing. So assume that this is a fresh instance. So you don't know about to go to the, you don't want to go to the even the table also. So now what you done, just search the import. It was loading. It was not. Import sets. Here we have seen all. So just click on the load data. Created in the now the data is stored in which format? State. The import set also. Sorry, I'm not feeling comfortable. So create a table in a segment. It will create record on the import set table. So I'm just creating a table here. So I'm just giving Narayana. So this Narayana. So the way just creating one record on import set table. So this was fine. After that you have to file. Just click here. So where you are done. That was in desktop. Users. This one. Guest. Not there. Public. There is documents. Where is what happened? We don't know. I don't know where. Okay, forget about. We'll just move to another location. It may be better on. Okay, just pasting here. So just going. So just so guys, import set this one. So this format of XLSS. Just click on this one. So what happened? I'm sorry, the table is already there. So Narayana import. So simple. That new table. So it's already done. That's why one. Just click on submit. Yeah. There is nothing but only the file should be uploaded in the CSV or XLS format. So the format was XLS one. So if you want to change it, just go to one, just upload it. I don't know. Yeah, open it. I'm sorry. Just go open this one. I'm sorry, what happened? So file and save here. Save here. If you want to do it one 2097 2000 workbook. So I'm just making import one. Just save it one. Okay. And I'm just closing this one. Now let's see. Import one is out file. The sheet number 11 and it will count from the other one. It will take. I hope you know what is the sheet number, header number. So now it was submitting. Why it was not submitting? Excel format. What was done? It was completed, success. How many records you have inserted? 5 records. It was showing here. So now what happens? We have upload that Excel file from the local machine to the our instance. Now what we have done? That is nothing but the data has come to instance. We have. So what is our goal? What is our goal? That is nothing but the data should be available in the should be transferred to the should be uploaded in the Narayana data. That is our goal. So if you want to create one, system will know, system don't know. So we have to tell the system each and every point. So if you want to run, we have to create a mapping is there. So if you want to create a mapping, if you want to see here, just click on the import set. So this is the import set. This is the serial number. Just open this one. This is also one type of record which we have done earlier. Now what happened here? It was in the loaded state. Now you have to create a transform map. That is nothing but we have to map from the one to another. So just click on the transform map. So here I am just creating a transform map. So import, I'm sorry, Narayana source table. What is our source table? Narayana import. So actually, if you want to run a business manager, you can see here. If you want empty page, you can see here. Created, don't need to worry. What is the target table? What is the target table? Narayana. So that is the one. You can transfer any table. Just click on the submit here. So what you have created? Now we have set the system, the source import and the target. After what we have to map it. I think that's enough, or we have to map anything. That's enough. So assume that we have to map the field mapping also. Field mapping is nothing but which was in the earlier, that is nothing but, for example, in the client they will call first name, but in our system we will call as a name. So the system will understand or not? Definitely system will understand. So we have to map it. If it is a first name in the Excel sheet, that should be mapped to the app name, our system, our table. You are getting a still in confusion. Because but don't confuse. If you practice more, then you will. This is the, because many of the companies are migrating to ServiceNow, so they want to upload a huge data. So import it is very important. So please practice with. Understand? If you are, let me know. So now, so here we have a field mapping is there. So if you want to get an automatic field, it will automatically generate. I'm just going to the mapping assistant. So near Narayana, I'm just mapping in the Narayana import. It is an email table. Email. It is the email. So we want to map it to the. So just cancel this one. So I'm just going to the mapping once again. So I'm just going to add email here, the email. You can see this one. This was not synchronizing. So it was not synchronizing. Maybe probably the cursor or any other one. So this is the values you have entered here. So the starting with the email ID was John, that from that one. There is no mapping is there. So do one thing. So we'll try the first auto mapping. After that we can see that error. So I just click on auto mapping. Nothing but whatever the name is equal exactly, will automatically map. So you can hear. What happened here? Only one name was filled. So I'm just mapping one by one. I'm just mapping here. So the import table, target table, and what was the name he has done? Email, and target field was email. So we'll update you what is the use of police later. It will show the error. Then we will easily understand. So after that, no, it was not mapping. And so the phone number, name we are given. So if we, I'm sorry, phone number, and here the phone number, mobile. What are fields you have given? Name, mobile number, email ID, and ID. So so just go to the ID here. This was a problem in it or what? We have not selected different one. So the thing was ID and ID we have not. No, she said that will be different. No ID. Let's see. So Narayana, there is no ID field is there. Then maybe it was not there. So we'll add here and let's see. So we just add one field and let's see. I'm just saving this record here. So we have add ID here. Now I think maybe it was not came. Just reload this page form. Then no need to worry. So just go here. What is our ID here? So here we'll map it to the ID also. ID. Just submit here. Now what happens? We have mapped the. So it was related to the same field. Just go to the transform map. So what are the transform map? Import Narayana. Just use this one. Now what happens? We have mapped the. Forget about police. We'll tell you later what is the use of police. So now we have mapped the same thing and other thing. So now what happens? After that, we have to run this transform map. Just click on this run transform. It will display available. So here it will show the list of imports related to this. We have only one record. That's one. This is the what is this one? This is the transform map. So I'm just click on the run transform map. Let's see how many records will be available in Narayana. So what happens? Complete success. Now just go to the Narayana. How many records is available? So I think we have mapped the email ID and those email ID number. Just so like this. You got it? So assume that this was your basic thing. Rana, you got it? Still any confusion?
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
We have done Chaitanya. Okay. So simple thing. This was fine. So you have entered Andrew. The email was by mistake was wrong. So maybe the spell was wrong or maybe the was wrong. So simple thing. So you want to update it. Incorrect. How you can update it? So if it is a 1 or 2, you can easily manage it. But thousands of records, what we can do? We have to go to the import set option. Let's we can try it and let's see what happens. Import. I'm sorry. So simple thing. So here Andrew. Let's see. Andrew, the mail ID, and I am just making This one to the 8, and this 7, 7, 7, all 7. So simple thing for your understanding. So this was a fine entry. When this was 8, sorry, 8. So this one has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. This was a fine. So we have changed the entry main and mobile number, all the mobile numbers. So now I want to change the David. So this is to record, just save it. Now what we have to do, we have the same pattern, we have to import the same, again once again. Just save, just close this record one. Now again I am just going to here, go to the processor, click on the load data. So we want to upload the existing data. So what is the one? Import file, import one, just submit. Now what happened? We have successfully uploaded those imports into the ServiceNow instance. Now after what you have to do, you can see here 5 inserts is there. Now what happens? Just go to the import list. Now another record has created. So this one already processed. This is the one. So maybe you can see here, if you already created a transform map, just click on here. We already created it. There's no need to worry about that one. We already created all this table, that's no need to worry. Or else we have to create. So just click on the transform. So it was successful. So let's see what happens. What happened? Nothing but the records was not updated. Created a new records. Then what we have? Sorry? Exactly. We have an option called Colis is there. So what happens? Nines, John, David. No, what was our latest updates? The entry, this is the one. va@gmail.com. So these two records will be deleted, and Paul will be deleted, and Rhonda. So this John also removed. Promoting what you done? Which record I have removed? Maybe 6. So these are the duplicate of records. Go to remove here. So here we have given the ID also given. Maybe ID. Yeah. So this is going to be here. I think ID we have not mapped it. Mapped it. So now what happens? Now there is, if you not given anything, so there is a duplicate of records as created. But what is our goal? Our goal, we should restrict the duplicates. We want to update it Andrew, whatever it means. So now once again, just go to the transform map. The same thing, import Narayana. Here I am just, so assume that in your college there are many persons is there. How you can identify? Sorry, ID. So here I am colleagues as a true. It's a colleague. It's a primary key. So I'm just going the true. Let's save this one. Now what happens? Now we have to upload again. No. So if we go to the import set, just it was uploaded. So we want to upload this two records already processed. We want to reprocess it. Just click on this one. Once again reprocess. It will automatically go to the pending state. Will go to the loaded. Now we want to reprocess it. Just go to the transform, run transform map again. You got it? Still just here the imports and the transform map. Just click on the transform. Now it was automatically transformed. Now let's see. So what happened? Our goal was the duplicate of records has to create. Let's see. So this one we are giving after the loading. You can see here. Here this is before, this was after. You got it? So this was the police 100% interval loss. Whatever if you open imports it, interval loss. What is colleagues? So you have to answer it. Colleagues, what is the colleagues will do? Sorry. Simple thing. If your field has colleagues and you are uploading, you verify whether the record is available or not. Exactly match. If available, it will upload the data. If not available, it will create a record. Available, it will create a record. If available, it will update the record which is given earlier. I hope you got it or still any confusion? Rana, I got it. What is the use of police?
To identify the unique records.
Yeah, you got it. This is the one of the interview questions, so you can please aware of it. Collision is nothing but it is a field property. So when in the transform map, whenever if you are given field as collision, so when you are uploading data, first it will verify whether the record is available or not. If available, it will update a record, or else it will record. Okay. So this was fine. Who has created Holy Mary? Who studied in Holy Mary? BTech. Holy Mary College. I will test you again. Prasad Reddy. Reddy. I will tell you later. It was a weak story for Rama. So this was fine. So this was fine. So this is the basic import set. The second thing was when you are uploading the data, so you have seen another option. When you are loading the data, we have seen another option. What is the option? Data source. The file is nothing but it's a file. So you upload. But what is the data source? Because data source it is showing something different. Data your team was in US. So you want to import the data. But the file table was more than 1 GB. Uploading 1 GB, then what happens? So it will depend on certain parameters, internet bandwidth, instance. So mostly it will affect the performance. Instance. What you can do is Simple thing, we upload there in the US, so we can release it from here. So now this is the option of data source. I will tell you how to create a data source. Whenever if you are going to integration also, this import is very important. The data source. So assume that simple thing once again, the thing this we are making. So simple thing now I just want to all the records. So I'm just updating here once again. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 2, 1, 3, 5, 4. Okay, so we are changing some different one, and I'm just creating a new records here also. So Andrew Pradeep. Okay, so his ID was 909. So Pradeep at gmail.com. So this was fine. So I'm just only creating one record. So I'm just saving this one. Now I just want to upload this was in the data source. Just click on the save. Just write the name Narayana. So I'm just going to write Narayana because Narayana import is already available. So this is the file type JDBC or LDAP. If it is JDBC, we have to do all the things. So when you go to integration, we just give all those paths. So right now we don't have an option to do it. If it is LDAP, so you can give the what is the so LDAP is nothing but lightweight directory access protocol, which is used for the Active Directory. If you are working in an organization, so every user is there. The user data will be stored in the Active Directory. That Active Directory will work on the LDAP protocol. So we'll tell you later. So I don't have an option to show the integration. The format, what was our format? Excel format. So the sheet 1. File retrieval method was attached. So this was fine. Now what happens? Now here I am uploading here. Just go here. Import, attach. This was fine. Now this one. Submit this one. So now we have done the data source. Now let's go to the just remove this tab. So go to load data again. So you want to create a record in the sales table. Data source. What is our data source name? Narayana. Just click on submit here. What happens? Total 6 updates. Just click on the import sets. What happened? There is no available here. Now we want to. So this was loaded here. Now we want to run this transform. The same table we are creating. That's why just showing that this one deep already. So whenever we should be aware of this import set. So we are aware of this one available. Just click on the transform. So here the transform was completed. So this is before insert. Let's see after insert. What happens? I'm sorry. So we'll see what the records will. Pradeep you have created one. So you can see here. It has changed the number and Pradeep has created. I will got it. So this is the use of what I am saying is that police and this one. So tomorrow you can imports it. Another way of imports it also is available. So there's here name. Just right click, import. I'm sorry, is there? Configure. What is it? So import here. From here also you can. So if you want to insert, you can just create a. Just click on Excel template. Just download it. It will show the our template values. We have to fill the template. We can upload the same thing. So this is the sample template help guide. Like this is the. But your request was you want to update the record. You can update. Let's see what happens. These are the available records. Is there? It was a society also. These are the available records. So simply you can change here. So changing the name was Andy RD PDT and ROM and I am meeting all those monitors. Dave just but so this is the one I'm just giving. I'm just updating this one, saving, just closing this one. Just oh, I don't know where this was. Maybe it was in Bangalore. We don't know the path. So the downloads. Okay, no need to worry. It will be available here. Just download. So this is our one. Just understood show folder. Cut it. So maybe this was a upgraded one. I'm sorry. One. So let's open this one. Let's see. So we have changed some few things. So this is the one. So no need to worry. So this was fine. So you want to upload here. Just upload the file. Narayana. Upload it. The best practice was go to the import set and do that. Don't do like this. It was automatically done. So it was uploading. Notepad. No, the format was there was a CSV format, XML format, and XLS format. Okay, only three parts. Where we cannot do. Can we input any other data sources like SQL? No, no, they will see what are the data, what are the data sources. It will show the what are the available formats. So when you open the any one, so you can just open any one. The format was this. So we cannot do anything because that was given by ServiceNow. So we can't do. So uploading. The best was should go to the import side and verify this one. But loading. Sometimes it will depend on internet bandwidth also for the because our entire application will be using the internet, so it should be in the internet bandwidth also. What happened? So we have so we are uploading. We'll wait. What happens there? Loading took more than 2 minutes. Still it was loading. Yes, this was a file. So when you go to the JDBC, last with all the when you go to the LDAP, last with different things. Understand this concept. So when you start upload automatically, I don't know why it was updated. That was taking too long time. So we'll see later. So why it was not uploading. So I hope you understand the concept. Are still any confusion for this today's topic? Rana, I got it. So this was we'll check in the tomorrow. So how to upload? Rana, I got it. Are still any confusion?
No, I'm good. Thank you. No confusion.
So this was fine. Thus, please note down the tomorrow task. So create an import set. So assume that so the yesterday delivered the previous task you have done customizations. Now create the records in the your instance and upload in another instance, which you have done the update set. So do create one import set and upload the data, and you can do from the, that is first time insertion, and second time you can just verify the updation without police. After you can verify, and you can download it in the CSV format and verify. Yeah, yeah. We have given the charges field, state, location. We'll give values, backend values. We'll give it and verify. RS. So for backend we have given the state 10, 20 like. So the same thing can be in the Excel sheet. RS. So you could give the state name, label name, and verify. What outputs will come. So note down the errors if you for that one. So we'll discuss in the next class. No doubts. Simple thing, just create a import set table. So the previous class was update set, the before previous class. So in the what is the update set? We are moving the one instance to another instance. So now we are moving the data from one instance to another instance using update set. Sorry, import set. So do it one. So now we have seen the Excel sheet. You should see in the CSV format. If you want to download it, just what happens. So assume that this was the data source. Right click, export to CSV XML, whatever it is. CSV format, download it. Later, just upload the same thing in the another instance. This was fine. That is insertion. Second time, just download that insertion, just update it and use the XML format. You got it, clear. Now verify. Without police, you can verify and update. After you can verify and after the police. This was the next thing, upload a file in the data source and verify. And use it from. You got it? Still any, you got it? Sir, Rana, you got it? Still any confusion? I don't know why.
No, I understand.
So you could also try from the front end, from the table, import, export. Sorry, import. Just click here, table, import. Try from here also. Okay? Just note it down. So if you have any issues, we will discuss in the next class for this one. Rana, you understand today's class or still any confusion?
No, I understand.
So you can just note it down. If you have any issues, we'll let you know in the next class. Okay? So we have another 10 minutes. If you have any doubts for till now, if you have any doubts till now,
No.
if you say no, I hope that you are not practicing well. So please ask me doubts. Okay? So in the first ask me and very then I understand you are practicing. As I will tell you are not practicing well. You are not practicing. Okay? So you got it? Any doubts? You don't have doubts? So I'm just we are done with the session for today. So we'll meet you on tomorrow at 7 p.m. IST. Okay? Okay, Rana?
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Have a nice day and bye.
Bye.